welcome back. So I hope you have understood your maths work, your countings and must have completed it by now. Now keep all your maths books aside. It's time for our EVS class. Yes. So let's begin with our EVS class now. So class, if you remember on Friday, the previous Friday, this Friday was our holiday. So on previous Friday we had a conversation class related to seasons. आपको याद है? Ma'am told you about different seasons, when they come, what we do, how we do different activities to keep ourselves comfortable in those seasons. So today we are going to study that seasons once again, and today we are going to do certain work related to those seasons in our books as well. Okay? So let's begin with our today's classes. So today we are going to talk about the topic seasons. Clear? And in this topic we are going to discuss about three main seasons. That is summer season. So what is summer season? Summer season is गर्मियों का मौसम, which is just going on. Summers का चल रही है. We use fan, air conditions. Then we love to eat ice creams. A lot of things we do. Then the next one we are going to talk about is rainy season, or you can say monsoon season. And last we are going to discuss about winter season. Clear? Last we are going to discuss about winter season. So these are the three seasons that we are going to discuss today. Let's start with the first season, that is summer season. So here are a few things that we enjoy or we do during summers. First is a swim costume. That means we all love going to swimming pool, going to some splash pools, so that we can keep ourselves cool in that water. Isn't it? आप लोग swimming costumes पहन के we go to different beaches, we enjoy water. वहाँ पे हम लोग को water में घूमना, और you can say we enjoy being splash parties or pool parties में जाना. We all enjoy that, isn't it? Friends के साथ एक घर पे छोटा सा pool लगा के we love playing in it, isn't it? So one activity that we enjoy in summers is pool activity, or you can say swimming. Next is we all love eating ice creams. So ice cream is something that keeps you cool. जब भी आप ice cream खाते हैं, so what happens? That keeps you cool, isn't it? आप उसको enjoy करते हैं. And other things are like we love having coconut water. Coconut water भी बहुत अच्छा होता है. It keeps the warm. जो लू होती है, जो गर्म हवा that affect our body, उससे हमें save करती है, बचाती है. Then we love eating watermelons. Then we love eating mangoes. Different puddings that is made out of mangoes is what we love. Then some other activities that we do is having cool drinks like juices. Then ice cream, as I told you. We use fans, we use air conditions, isn't it? So these are things that we do in summer season. Now can you tell me one thing? How many of you prefer wearing woolen clothes? Woolen clothes in summer season I am talking. Nobody, na? Nobody wants, everybody wants cool clothes. See, these are so cool clothes जिसमें हमें हवा लगे, and we feel comfortable in them. Like t-shirts, shorts. Then we prefer wearing sandals, slippers instead of socks and shoes. Socks and shoes में हमें गर्मी लगती है, isn't it? So these are few things that we do in summer. Now let us see what we do in winter season. So okay, let us first discuss about rainy season. So when the rainy season comes, can anyone tell me? It starts in the month of July and goes till mid-September. July month से begin करता है monsoon season and it goes up to July, August and mid-September, यानी कि half September. So these months are referred as monsoon season, or you can say rainy season. ठीक है? अब what we do? We use umbrellas, raincoats. Then we enjoy yummy snacks like pakoras, isn't it? Then corn cob, yes, one of my favorite. I always eat corn cobs in rainy season. Bhutta खाते हैं ना, sweet corns or corn cobs. We enjoy eating that. Then we row paper boats. These are the activities that we do in rainy season. अच्छा, one thing I would like to discuss. जब भी कभी rainy season होता है and after the rain stops, हम किसी भी पार्क में जाते हैं या गार्डन में जाते हैं. Have you ever seen an insect? वो इतना लंबा होता है. It is something like this. I just draw here. See, एक worm होता है. वो ऐसे होता है. Something like this. लंबा सा होता है. With a small mouth here. और ऐसे 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 रेंगता रहता है. So वो crawl करता है. What is that? It's an earthworm. ठीक है, कीड़े होते हैं छोटे छोटे, but they come out in rainy season only. Then snails. आपने snails देखे हैं? कभी भी आप देखेंगे leaves के ऊपर snails होते हैं. They eat those leaves. They also come out in rainy season. वो rainy season में ही आते हैं, जब जो हमारी mud होती है, मिट्टी होती है, वो थोड़ी सोगी हो जाती है, तो वो बाहर निकल आते हैं इसमें से. Clear? So this is about rainy season. Now moving to the next is the winter season. So winter season, as we all know, it's approaching also. जब मैम ने आपको winters के बारे में बताया था, I told you that winter season comes during December and January. बट क्या होता है, जो लास्ट नवंबर होता है हमारा, लास्ट मिड नवंबर के बाद से थोड़ा थोड़ा वेदर चेंज होने लगता है. क्लियर? सो थोड़ा एट नाइट वी फील लिटिल कोल्ड, डे में हॉटनेस होती है, तो वेदर चेंज वहीं से स्टार्ट हो जाता है. एंड व्हेन द दिसंबर बिगिंस, इट्स टाइम फॉर विंटर सीजन. सो व्हाट वी ऑल डू इन विंटर सीजन? फर्स्ट वी वेयर वुलन क्लोथ्स, है ना. मम्मा कहती है ना, वेयर योर कैप, योर ग्लव्स, योर मफलर्स, so that you are protected from cold weather. आपको ठंड नहीं लगेगी, cold नहीं होगा, isn't it? So we all wear woolen clothes. Then we take hot drinks like tea, coffee, soup, hot chocolates. So these are gloves and caps that we wear. Instead of fan and AC in winters, we use heater, room heaters, so that we can maintain a warm temperature in the room. Then yes, lot of festivals like Christmas, Lohri, they come in winter season, isn't it? And what else we do? Come on, tell me. Snowman, snowfall होती है, कब होती है snowfall? Winters में. So we make snowmans also in winter season, है ना? So these are the different seasons. See, we have already discussed. If you remember, I have shown you an animated series also. उस animated series को अगर आप repeatedly दोबारा से देखेंगे, so you will be able to understand how that girl and her mother were talking about different seasons, activities that they do. So in winters they were in Manali, if you remember, they were enjoying winters in Manali because it was snowfall there. But just observe carefully once again, when they were in Manali during the snowfall, they were wearing proper woolen clothes and they preferred taking hot drinks. Clear? So अब winters में क्योंकि बाहर ठंड होती है, we take hot things to keep ourselves warm. Summers में क्योंकि बाहर बहुत गर्मी होती है, it's very hot outside, so we do those things that keep us cool. And when we talk about rainy season, it is a season which we all enjoy a lot, isn't it? When it is raining heavily, जब बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है, what do? You go out and you get wet. हमें सबको मजा आता है बारिश में भीगने में, isn't it? I enjoy raining showers. Then we make paper boats. I love doing it. When I was a small child, from that time, I love making paper boats and I row them in water. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So what you can do next time, whenever you experience a rainfall, आप क्या करिए? Take an old newspaper. मम्मा से बोलिए एक old newspaper दे देंगी. And with that, make a paper boat and row it. Clear? And yes, of course, I told you earlier also, corn cob, again my favorite. And I know you all like to eat sweet corns. छोटे छोटे corn kernels का sweet corn खाते हैं ना? So that's from where we get these kernels, from this cob. तो या तो पूरा corn cob खाइए या kernels खाइए, one and the same thing. We enjoy eating it in rainy season. Clear? Okay. So now moving towards today's book work. So class, we have done 3 seasons, 3 different pages to be done. So book page number 87 for summer season, then page number 89, yes. 89 for your rainy season and page number 91 for the winter season. This is what we are going to do today in our book. So let's see how we are going to do our work. Okay? So class, now open your EVS book on page number 87. So page number 87, we have the topic summer heat. So what you have to do first, write today's date, that is 5th October 2020 and classwork here. Clear? Then move in circles and collect all the things you use on a hot day. अब क्या करना है? This boy is going to move here in this circle and will collect all the things that we do in hot day. So first we have is a glass of juice. Yes, we do that. Okay, so we'll put a tick here. Next is a coconut water. So yes, again we'll put a tick. Then we have watermelon. You enjoy eating watermelon in summers? Yes, we all do that. So I'll put a tick mark here. Next we have is a mango. We enjoy eating mangoes? Yes, because they come in summer season. Ice cream. Wow, I love eating ice cream in summers. Yes, ice cubes. Yes, we use them in different drinks like lemonades, juices, or you can say cold drinks. So we use that also. Then we have fan, we have air condition, we have a swimming costume, we have goggles. So for what we use these sunglasses? Can anyone tell me? So we use these sunglasses to protect us from scorchy, shiny sun, ताकि हमारी eyes में pain ना हो. Next we have is an umbrella. So we use umbrella in summer season. Sometimes we use it when it is very hot outside, or you can say the sun is just on our head. जब बहुत तेज sun होता है, we protect us by using this umbrella. Next we have, yes, we'll put a tick here. Next we have is a t-shirt. Yes, I prefer wearing cool clothes in summers. A shower. Yes, we all love taking showers. है ना? Next is the super favorite of mine, that is swimming pool. So we all enjoy being in the pool. Clear? So now the next says, circle the things you like to have on a hot day. Now just think that it is a very hot day today. So what all things you will enjoy? A glass of juice? Yes. So we'll put a circle here. A hot coffee? No, I don't. Then we have a nariyal pani. Yes, I love taking coconut waters in summer season. Then a bowl of soup. No, I don't. Then a glass of water. Yes, it is always welcome. I always welcome a glass of cold water in summer season. So this is all for summer season we have. Great. So now moving to the next season, that is on page number 89. We have is rainy season. What we have here? Rainy season. So first thing what we are going to do is, we are going to write today's date. That is 5th October 2020. Clear? And this is again our classwork. So now what the question says, paste stickers of snail and earthworm. So see, where is the earthworm? I told you now, in rainy season earthworms, snails, they come out. So what we have to do, we are going to paste stickers here. Clear? See, let us first see this girl is using an umbrella in rainy season. Jagah jagah pe there are puddles of water. Then there is a peacock. Wow. You know, peacock is our national bird. Peacock कौन है? हमारे इंडिया का national bird है. And the peacock enjoys the rain a lot. Whenever it rains outside, what they do? They open their feathers. वो अपने feathers open करते हैं and they start dancing. You know why? Because they love rainy season. इन लोगों को rainy season में feathers open करके dance करना बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Okay. Next we have, see, this child is rowing paper boats. एक छोटा सा puddle of water है where the child is rowing paper boats. And see here, this child is also enjoying corn cobs. I told you ना winter season में corn cobs बहुत yummy लगते हैं. So now what we have to do is we have to paste the sticker of snail and earthworm here. So what we are going to do, we'll take these stickers from the back side. So now see here. So these are the sticker pages. So here is the earthworm and here is the snail. Let's take the stickers out. So class, see, now I have taken out the stickers of this earthworm and snail, and one by one we'll paste here. This is earthworm and this is snail. Like this you'll paste it. Clear everyone? Okay, now moving to the next is winter season. So on page number 91, see here on page number 91 we have cool winters. So next we have is cool winters. First, let us write down today's date, 5th October 2020, and this is your today's homework. So I'll not do it, I'll only explain you how to do this work. You are going to do it by yourself. Now move in the square and collect the things you use in winter. Remember, we have just did it for summer season. Now what you have to do, this boy will be moving in this square and you have to take all those things that we do in summer season, in winter season. We use in winter season. Clear? So we have a woolen cap, a jacket, a muffler, then we have a coat. Then next we have is gloves, sweater, soup, coffee, heater, snowman, Diwali diya, Christmas. Next we have is groundnuts, yani moongfali. Here we have almonds and cashews, nuts you can say, and see they all are enjoying a bonfire here. Understood? So collect the things that we use in winter. Next we have is circle the things we use to keep warm. So अब आपको क्या करना है, because it's a winter season, तो अब हमें अपने आप को warm रखना होता है ना, तो अब आपको क्या करना है, you are going to circle those things that help us to keep ourselves warm. Clear? जो चीज़ें हमें अपने आप को warm रखने में help करती हैं, you are going to circle them out. Understood everyone? So class, I hope that you have understood today's work or our talk on conversation, or you can say our session related to seasons. So there are two more seasons, we can say like autumn and spring. We'll discuss that in detail later on. But first, make yourself thorough with the things that we do or enjoy in rainy, summer and winter season. Clear? So once again, I am just repeating what we have done today. Today we have discussed about summer season in detail, then about rainy season and about winter season. So can you tell me, if I ask you one or two questions, can you tell me which festival comes in winter season? Winter season में कौन से festivals आते हैं? So it is like, yes, come on, tell me. Diwali comes in November month. Then we have Christmas. Then we have Lohri. We celebrate Lohri in the month of January. So these are the three main festivals that falls in winter season. Yes, Guru Purb also comes in winter season. Guru Nanak Dev Ji का birthday आता है, जो Guru Nanak Dev जयंती होती है, that also comes in winter season. Then okay, now tell me one thing that we don't do in summer season. One thing that we don't do in summer season but we do in winter season. First is we wear winter clothes in winter season, or you can say woolen clothes in winter season but not in summer season. And we do swimming in summer. But anyone prefer doing swimming in winters? Winters में जाते हैं swimming करने? Swimming pool में बहुत ठंडा पानी होता है. So who prefer going to swimming pools in winters? Nobody. I don't go. So we all take bath with hot water, isn't it? Summers में हम क्या करते हैं? We take bath in cold water, or you can say a water which is directly coming from overhead tanks, जो हमारे ऊपर टैंक से आता है. But when we talk about winter season, we first heat up our water. हम उसको पहले गर्म करते हैं in geysers, isn't it? Either be a gas geyser or an electronic geyser. We first, what we do? We first increase the temperature. उसको गर्म करते हैं, then we take a bath, isn't it? So who prefer taking bath with hot water in summers? Nobody. We all prefer going to swimming pool in summers. Clear? So now what you have to do today? Your today's activity is to try to differentiate the things between winter, summer or rainy. Clear? कि क्या चीजें हैं that we love doing in summer season but we cannot do in winter season, or what all things we enjoy in winter season but we can't do that in summer season or rainy season. Is that clear today? Is that clear to you all? So that's all for your today's EVS class. Try to collect things, or you can say pictures, and make a small collage related to seasons. Is your today's another activity. Bye for now. Meet you soon with the next topic. Bye.